Well, time for some more drifting mods. Today we're going to do coilover top hats. Today's little project is extending the coilover top plates, the camber plates. As is, they're set up to go inwards, and I need to push the tops of the coilovers outwards. So I cut these little pieces out, and I am TIG welding this together, and then I will cut the hole a lot more, and we'll end up with better steering geometry from this. Now, I ain't much of a welder, but those are welded, or some would say ruined. Now I just have to grind them smooth on the top, and then cut this out to about here, and then slot this to here, and there to there, and then slot the strut tower, and we'll be good. I gotta sand them a little bit to make them look nice, and then hole saw them, maybe give them a coat of paint. This is coming along good. Here's what it looks like, and here's what it's gonna look like finished. I just have to clean it up a little bit, maybe paint it, and finish this one. All right, that's the final product. They're extended, oh frig, 2 inches basically. Sorry, they're extended 1.5 inches, allowing the top of the coilover to go out another 2 inches from center, and that'll match how much I extended the control arms. And there we have it. Got the studs pressed back in. Slotted the strut towers. Now I can push my coilovers way further out, correct steering axis inclination, and clear the inner wall better. Hope you enjoyed.